How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do exercise tutorial to get veins to pop out of your forearms. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. First exercise we're going to do for the forearms is my favorite. It's going to be a forearm curl, so just like this. That's 20, keep going. It's 40, keep going. 50, perfect, quick little break. Okay, the next exercise that we're gonna do, you're gonna stick your hands out like this and you're just gonna go like this. This works the forearms right in here. Really weight at the end and flex, just like this. So again, this is all I'm doing. Really flex your forearm when you do this. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do a squeeze, so get your hands squeezed super, super tight. Hold for 20 seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going, 10 more. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna go back to the forearm curl. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.